All right, hello everyone. Happy Wednesday. We're halfway through the week, and today we're going to be working on another Ed puzzle. This one's on decolonization. All right, so just a heads up, on Thursday you'll be able to redo mini units 12 and 13 on Schoology. Uh, have the academic integrity expectations. It's the same that it has been. Uh, so I won't bore you anymore with reading it over each time. Unless it's different, but today it's the same. All right, so a couple things with the Ed puzzle. Please make sure you watch all of it. It tells us how much you've watched, and also be sure to answer all 7 of the questions. Now I'm going to click on it, and however, like last time, I'm not sure what the student view is. All right, so you will be watching the crash course here through Edpuzzle on decolonization. A couple of things to keep in mind is there is going to be, or to be aware, it does reveal a bit about Gandhi and India's, uh, story to become independent. Uh, it does go back in time a little bit more than what this unit has, uh, but it does. With that though, it does help make it big picture kind of view. You have 7 questions, and beware, 2 of them at the very end here. Uh, you know, you have to think about the video in their entirety. Uh, as always, if you have any questions, please email. I hope all is well. We'll be looking to schedule another discussion at some point, although not this week. Hope all is well and take care.